Okay, so as I could see, you just lost all your money on gambling. So I made this mini game. We got like very expensive items, very expensive blocks, and the only rule is no X-ray. So every block you mine you can keep, but you can always back up. You know, like you can always keep them. Like you can say stop and
bet.
And you just
I think I'm just gonna mine one.
One?
Just
Alright.
one.
I mean, it's 70 mil. Okay.
Do I have to stand in the middle? Can I like stand here and mine it?
I mean, no, dude. That's the whole point of the mini game.
Okay.
But yeah, you can get rich. You can get.
I do.
Dr. Greedy.
Come on, Doctor.
That's not even greedy, bro. I only wanted to get one. I only wanted one. That's not even greedy.
I bet you wanted to steal those diamond blocks, Dr. Greedy. I bet you when you see a homeless person that wants food, you just ignore them and spit on them. Dr. Greedy, I knew
You're so much better than this, bro.
Oh wait, Ferrix, pull, Ferrix. I forgot to say, pull. Yes, Ferrix, pull. Ferrix.
Oh.